Hi, in this video, I will show you how to connect Elementor Form to System.io using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. In this tutorial, I will explain how to create a new contact in System.io using Elementor Form. I will use Elementor Form as a trigger node to send a message for contact creation in System.io. Step 1. Create a new flow. First, navigate to the Flows page. If you have not created any flow yet, click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Once you have successfully created a new flow, it will be displayed like this. Step 2. Add Elementor Form as a trigger. Next, let's add Elementor Form as a trigger in our workflow. To do this, click on the plus icon. A pop-up will appear. From there, search and select Elementor Form, Form's new record as the trigger. After that, click the Listen Response button. Then I will submit a test response from Elementor Form. Once the form submission is completed, the response will appear like this. The data will now be available in the next flow step as a variable to map. Finally, close the Trigger tab. We have successfully added an Elementor Form trigger to our flow. Step 3. Add an action. Now, I will add System.io as an action in the workflow. Click the plus icon again, then search and select System.io, Create Contact as the action from the pop-up. Next, select a System.io connection from the drop-down menu. If you don't have any existing connection or want to create a new one, simply click the Add Connection button. Here, write a name for your connection. Then you will need to provide an API key to establish a connection with System.io. To get your API key, visit the System.io public API keys page. Now click on the Create button and complete the public API key creation process. Once your API key is successfully generated, then copy it. Now, return to the BitFlows builder and paste the API key into the value field. Then click the Connect button. Your System.io node is now successfully connected to BitFlows. Next, select the tags from the drop-down menu that you have already created in your System.io account. Now, I will map the fields from the Elementor Form response to the System.io fields. After completing all the setup steps, close the Action tab. Step 4. Run a final test. Now click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test. Then submit a form to trigger a response from Elementor Form. Once your form is successfully submitted, return to the BitFlows builder and click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Logs section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded in System.io. Step 5. Verify the contact in System.io. Finally, go to your System.io dashboard and click on CRM. Then select Contact. Here, you will see that a new contact has been successfully created in your System.io account. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.